building manager's responsibilities have grown to include issues like risk management, telecommunications, environmental concerns, and energy purchasing. Since 1952, Belzona has been in the forefront of developing high-performance polymer-based materials and has gained widespread acceptance, solving maintenance issues affecting commercial facilities. Let's now take a look at some examples of how the different Belzona materials quickly and cost-effectively address important maintenance issues. Roofs are often the most neglected part of the building, and sooner or later, all roofs will leak, and when they do, 90% of the leaks will occur in only 10% of the roof area. Skylight glazing bars are subject to leaks from the different materials of construction and stresses due to thermal movement. Here, Belzona was applied to the leaking areas of this skylight arrangement at the headquarters of a major soft drink manufacturer in Atlanta, Georgia. Belzona's membrane system forms a tough, flexible, seamless layer that will not allow water to migrate through. Since the Belzona system is also microporous, any water vapor trapped underneath will be allowed to dry. Belzona flexible membrane has also earned the prestigious BBA 20-year roof repair material certification. Here's a classic example of how heat and UV destroy organic coverings and cause embrittlement. After testing and comparisons, Belzona was chosen as the most cost-effective way to waterproof the entire 35,000 square foot structure at a nuclear power plant in Maryland. Intricate dome structures and other irregular shapes are successfully encapsulated with a fully reinforced Belzona flexible membrane system, like this famous hotel in London. And finally, anytime you have roof penetrations, close inspection usually reveals factors to roof leaks. These areas were repaired with the Belzona flexible membrane system on a rolled rubber roof. As you can see, the Belzona system provides a simple answer to a variety of roof problems. Other problem areas easily repaired with Belzona systems are parapet walls. In a short amount of time, the perimeter of this seaside building was encapsulated, insulating the wall from the elements and eliminating the water damage problem. Even mechanical aspects of a building, like the galvanized sheet metal of this HVAC ductwork, needs to be watertight and protected from its subtropical environment. Belzona provided a barrier against corrosion and material degradation, two overlooked and contributing factors in BRI, or building-related illness. While early proponents of modern concrete considered it to be permanent, like all materials, it is subject to deterioration. If left unrepaired, cracks provide convenient channels for moisture penetration, leading to even more damage. These steps were repaired with an extremely durable Belzona magma quartz system, creating a profile that is now safe for pedestrian traffic. The Belzona Magma series is designed and engineered to provide superior physical and mechanical properties over conventional cement-based materials. These compounds are non-porous, quick curing, chemically resistant, and bond tenaciously to existing concrete, unlike conventional cement. Here's a classic example of damage caused by impact, hydrostatic pressure, and freeze-thaw effects. Under the supervision of the local factory-trained Belzona consultant, the damaged concrete was removed and the entire step profile was rebuilt with simple formwork and encapsulated to prevent further moisture ingress. Heavy traffic over this Florida highway caused concrete underneath the steel armor joint to crumble. Pieces of steel had come loose and contributed to dangerous road debris. In only 8 hours, the application was completed and ready for the early morning traffic. With over 13,000 psi of compressive strength, it's no wonder the Belzona repair lasts significantly longer than even high-strength concrete. Another attribute of Belzona's Magma series is its resistance to chemicals, like this containment area. Here, previous attempts to protect the floor around a tank used for water treatment containing 98% sulfuric acid had failed. After researching to find a more permanent solution, a high-performance Belzona coating system was chosen to save the floor from future damage. Even though Belzona polymers excel in tough operating conditions like you've just seen, they're also perfect for less demanding environments. The original tiling had failed in this shower, and instead of retiling, a Belzona system was used to form a polymer overlay along the floor and dividing walls. Belzona systems are also used to restore damage to concrete balconies and other vertical and overhead structures. This high-build yet lightweight concrete repair material can be applied up to 5 inches thick on a vertical substrate and 3 inches thick overhead without sag. This system is also ideal for the repair of decorative work. Cascading water had caused the breakdown of the terrazzo surface. When time is of the essence, Belzona provides a quick-curing concrete repair material that cures even in cold temperatures. The building's facade is under constant attack from the environment, and Belzona's clear cladding system was utilized because of its ability to penetrate into the porosity of a wide range of building materials with an invisible barrier. Treatment with this material maintains the appearance of clean masonry by being able to shed rainwater from the surface and provides a self-cleaning effect. With other facade issues, an entirely new series of Belzona materials are employed to make an effective repair. In this case, Belzona's Elastomers were used to make perfect molds from good sections of the building. Utilizing this mold, a Belzona magma product was then used to cast new sections. Components made of rubber are vital to many building specifications. However, like most materials, it degrades with time and service. The Belzona 2000 series elastomers demonstrate outstanding strength and abrasion resistance. They are specially formulated to bond to a wide variety of natural and synthetic rubber, metal, masonry, fabric, and plastic substrates. Belzona elastomers also help customers seeking to adhere to strict aesthetic and historical guidelines. A material with the proper combination of hardness, elasticity, adhesive strength, and application characteristics is needed to permanently seal the joint. After simply pouring a new expansion joint with Belzona nearly 12 years ago, the application is still in excellent shape. Due to continuous failures, this future customer budgeted for the replacement of a significant portion of expansion joints every year. Once a Belzona material was injected, the standard practice of yearly replacement was abandoned. The 6-year-old joints continue to provide a watertight solution. Slipping is a major cause of injury, leading to loss of productivity, litigation, and worst of all, fatalities. The provisions of safe footing should be given top priority and never approached with temporary methods like adhesive tapes. To meet this need, Belzona has engineered a hard-wearing system, providing positive grip that is suited for applications on virtually all surfaces. This pedestrian bridge gets pretty slippery in the wintertime, but with Belzona's safety grip system, hazards associated with slipping are no longer a concern. The Belzona grip system is so tough and hard-wearing, its bond strength is actually greater than the cohesive strength of the wood, making it nearly impossible to remove. After adhesive tape failed, the Belzona grip system was used on the nosings of these quarry tile steps. It is also available in safety colors red, yellow, and gray. The aggregate is available in black or white. A variety of mechanical problems plague the maintenance engineer, and decisions based on the economics of repair versus replacement directly impacts the bottom line. Mechanical problems that can be solved by Belzona systems include downtime, high replacement costs, availability, service life, energy efficiency, and environmental issues. A bearing failure will ruin the most perfect of days, causing critical pieces of equipment to be down. This type of damage can be repaired quickly and cost-effectively using a paste-grade Belzona 1000 series material. Conventional repairs sometimes require certain systems being shut down for 2 days or more. These 1000 series metallic polymers offer high mechanical strength, exceptional heat resistance, and are engineered to resist a broad range of chemicals. Some Belzona 1000 series polymers are approved for potable water contact. When it was discovered that the original lining of this hot water tank had failed, a suitable Belzona coating material was chosen for its NSF recognition and long-term durability. Belzona is also used to prevent different mechanisms of corrosion inside HVAC chiller units. Many Belzona customers have found that during annual service, it's an excellent time to undertake a protective coating system to ensure corrosion-free chiller units year-round. The entire tube sheet face of this large unit at the Montreal Olympic Stadium was rebuilt and coated for long-term protection and reliability. Needless to say, cooling towers are under constant attack from water treatment chemicals and the humid environment. Another Belzona system has been used for many years as an effective means of control and prevention of corrosion. And finally, pumps suffer from many forms of attack, and Belzona has been used for decades to restore and protect these vital pieces of equipment. So whether your problems are mechanical, safety-related, due to environmental degradation, or aesthetic in origin, Belzona's high-performance polymers are the answer.